Mastering negative questions in present continuous tense. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our series. Today, we'll be delving into negative questions in the present continuous tense. It may seem complex at first, but with the help of this tutorial, you'll find it a breeze. Let's dive in. In the English language, we use the present continuous tense to talk about actions happening right now, or for future planned events. It follows the format of subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. For example, I am eating an apple. But what if we want to turn this into a negative question? The formula for making negative questions in present continuous tense is am, is, are plus subject plus not plus verb ing. For example, are you not eating an apple? Or, isn't she playing the piano? Notice that the verb remains in its ing form. Let's break it down. Am, is, are. This is the auxiliary verb. Choose based on the subject of your sentence. Am for I, is for singular third person, are for plural subjects and second person. Subject. The person or object that is doing the action. Not. This word gives the sentence its negative form. Verb ing. This is the main verb of the sentence in its ing form. Now that we know how to form these questions, let's put them into use. Negative questions are often used to express surprise, check for understanding, or seek confirmation. For example, 1. Aren't you going to the party? Seeking confirmation. 2. Isn't it raining outside? Expressing surprise. 3. Aren't we studying the right chapter? Checking for understanding. That's all for today's video on negative questions in the present continuous tense. Keep practicing these structures, and soon you'll be using them fluently in your English conversations. Remember, mastering a language requires practice, so try to use these negative questions in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has made this topic a lot clearer for you. Happy learning!